Sirkal mamalo kokale Migao mochung' ne mwandu migole bwo lowo ochungo uso mar kit mula miluongo ni savorite ahinya to ne pinje maoko kaluwore kod koso bedo gi lesen mar timo ohala mar mwanduno. Kane olose boma ma Voi bang' romo gi apoya e kar luoko mwandugo, jatelo mochung' ne mwandugo e pacho ka endi Gregory Kitugu wacho ni johala mathoth mag mwandugo onge kod oboke mar timo ohala no. Jogo matimo ohala no to ywak ni ondama ma kamano biro kelo midhiero mathoth e sekta margi no.
We have 190 licenses that we have prepared and they have been collected. So all you know, we have prepared around 250 mineral dealers license. Among those licenses, there are licenses, 16 of them for the small guys, the mineral dealers permits, which we charge 5,000, and we have agreed that we'll bring them to for James Center for collection.
We are so happy that the government has given us a listening ear, and we are going home knowing that the issue for strategic mineral in the next 6 months, those who had received their licenses, they can continue with the process of with their businesses without any interference. As we wait for the cabinet memo, when it is constituted, that issue it will be heard.